Hey users, just wanted to demo a redesign that we just recently shipped on the web app. Currently, I'm viewing a summary page. You can see there we have chat here on the left with some recommended questions, and then the actual summary of this Amazon PDF here on the right. But what I really want to show is going to a Storytell page. So to get here, this is probably what you'll see at first when you open this page on the summary. I clicked Learn More. Then there's the three story tiles within it. I'll click Learn More again, and then I'm going to view the shareable link for this story tile, which will open up into this page, which you'll see has a similar design to the summary. So we just did basically a UI redesign to make everything look similar. It should be familiar. Here on the left you see the chat with some recommended questions, and these are actually related to the original summary of the story tile that, I'm sorry, the summary that the story tile came from. So the original content was that Amazon PDF. That's what these recommended questions are generated from. And then the story tile that we're currently viewing is also generated from that PDF. So specifically, also want to mention that Glow, this is something that you asked for. You wanted the user interface to look similar or exact, as close as we could to the summary page as well, so that it made more sense when you shared it out. So yeah, so we just shipped this and it looks like this. Couple things I'll mention here besides the chat, which I already went over. This top title here is kind of like a breadcrumb type of UI. So this is actually a clickable link and it will take you back to this summary page here, like the full summary of the PDF. So if you're done viewing the tile, then you can just go back to the PDF from there. And then we also have I should start the executive summary. We have the executive summary of this tile right here. And then down below, we have the original source content from the PDF. So this goes kind of line by line from the original PDF that made up this story tile. So, if you want to dig deeper, or find the content in the original PDF where this story tile was created from, you can do that on this page. Anything I didn't mention? Anybody else want to add anything?
Ryan, I just want to paraphrase what I'm hearing you say, which is that this is a story tile, a specific landing page for one story tile, which is one concept of a larger PDF. But the chat on the left is actually, you can chat with the entire PDF, not just with this story tile. So if you click maybe on one of the suggested questions, Ryan, I'm imagining Storytell is going to come back with an answer, which might actually link to some other story tiles. Is that an accurate way to think about it?
Yes, that's correct. So it did answer a question which was pretty generic, the business segments of Amazon, which is about the original PDF. And then, yeah, we should be able to click this index right here. Yeah, and that should take us to another story tile,
Cool.
which is
And
still, as you can see, based off the original PDF, but it's a different one.
so let's just try that one more time. Click on one of the chat questions here. And so this is kind of a way to discover additional content. We can see here in this answer, it's referencing 3 story tiles, not just one. Is that accurate?
That's correct, yeah. And I will say the number in the chat is not the same number as a story tile. It's just the number within this message right here. So you can see I clicked 3, and then it actually took us to story tile 86 from the PDF.
So that's something that maybe that's a question for users. Right now, the chat's saying it's the 3rd story tile that I'm referencing, so it's number 3, but the actual story tile number is 86. Would it be more clear if it said 86 instead of 3 there? But this is great. I'm curious to see what Glow thinks. So Glow, we're looking at you here. Is this what you wanted? Are we satisfying your job to be done?
Yep, all right. Thanks very much.